doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make age-restricted pop-up on WordPress website. The first thing you will need to do after opening your WordPress admin page, as you can see right here, I want you to open a new tab and you are going to go onto elfsite.com. And this is going to be the platform that we'll be using to create our age-restricted pop-up. And you can use it for completely free. All you'll need to do is hover over widgets in the top left hand corner. Then from there below tools, you're going to see the option age verification. You're going to tap on that. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see the first template is a pop-up option right here. So we are going to be selecting the first template. You have different options that you can choose from. As you can see right here, you can see you must be over 21 years old to visit this site. You can see the different templates right there you can choose from. You have over 23 different templates that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So you can select the one that best suits you. After selecting one, I'm just going to be selecting the default right here. You're going to tap on continue with this template in the bottom left hand corner. Now you can tap where you see minimum age and you could change the minimum age. You can also change the verification button. So you could require someone to enter their date of birth before going forward. Or you can tap right where you see member visitor. So for example, you can choose 30 days, any amount of time that you want. I'm just going to select 0. You can select underage action. So if they are underage, would you like to redirect them to a URL or would you like to show a message? You can edit the message that you would like to show. And you can select where you would like it to be displayed, whether on all pages, the home page, specific pages, or so on. You can also tap on content right here. And you can edit the content, as you can see right here. You can also tap on appearance, and from here you can change the background color and so on. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on add to website for free. Then you'll be redirected to this page, and from here all we'll need to do from here, we can simply tap on close. After you have tapped on close, you can see that it has been created. Now we are going to tap on install and you're going to copy the code. After copying the code, you're going to go back into WordPress, and from here you can select post or page. So for example, I'm just going to be creating a new page, so I'll tap on add new, and you can give the page a title. So for example, I'll call it test. Then you're going to tap right where you see choose a block and you're going to tap right there. After doing that, you can tap on custom custom HTML, better yet, and you're going to paste it in. After you have pasted it in, if we were to tap on preview, you can see that it is blank. Once you are finished creating it, if we were to tap on publish, for example sake, after publishing it, if we were to go onto our website, we don't even have to go onto this general page, but if we were to go onto any page overall, so let's say we were to tap on view page, you will realize that it now appears, as you can see right there. So they'll have to select whether they are 18 or under, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.